In this video, I will show you how to get Discord notifications for OpenSea listings. Here are some examples of notifications you will get after following this tutorial. Hi, I'm Gabriel from Boto.io, where you can build your own bots with no coding skills. First thing, let's go to Boto.io and log into the app. If you don't have an account, just create one. It's free. Now click on the Recipes menu. If you wonder what they are, recipes are bot templates that are almost ready to use. So let's scroll down and click on the OpenSea Listings to Discord bot. So in this page, we will set up your bot. Before we start, let me tell you two basic things about Botos. 1. All Botos are made of blocks. 2. Each block does something for a bot. For example, the left block that you see here captures OpenSea listings, and the right block sends messages to Discord. Simple, right? Now let's start by setting up the OpenSea block. First, change the address type to collection slug. Then, the next field asks for an address. As we just selected collection slug in the address type, we will look for the slug of the collection. To do that, enter the OpenSea page of the collection you want to get listings notifications for. The collection slug is the piece of text here in the page link just after the last /. Copy this text and paste it into the address field. Great! The first half of the setup is done. Now in the second half, we'll set up the Discord block. Here, we have to choose a channel ID. This tells Boto to which channel it should send notifications. But before doing that, if this is your first time setting up a bot with Boto, you need first to invite Boto into your Discord server. You only have to do it once per server, so let's do that. Click on the Add button to add a new channel. Here, we are at Boto's Knowledge Center. In step 1, open this link in another tab or window. Then select your server and authorize Boto. Cool. This was the part you only needed to do once per server. You can close this window now. Now in step 2, you will authorize Boto to message a specific channel. If you want to message other channels, just repeat the following steps. First, enter the channel where you want to get listings notifications. Then, enter /AUTH, followed by the email you used to log into Boto. Then hit enter. Great! Success! Now, notice this number. This is the channel ID. Now, let's go back to the Boto setup page. Then, click on the Refresh List button and select the channel ID you just saw a few seconds ago. Now you're done setting up your Boto. Let's make a quick test then. Click this button here on the Discord block. This sends a test message to the channel. We can check it out on the server. Remember, this is not a real listing notification. This is just a dummy message. Now back to Boto. Let's click here to save the bot and click there to turn it on. You made it until here. Congratulations! Your bot is up and running. Now just wait for the listings to happen and you will get notifications in your Discord server. And before we finish things here, you can check your newly created Boto at the page My Botos. You can also check the history of bot runs in the dashboard page. If you want to create right now your own OpenSea listings bot, or if you want to learn how to customize your bot, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.